JLG Industries presents the walk-around inspection for JLG boom lifts. You will learn how to conduct a proper walk-around inspection. By viewing this video, you are accepting responsibility for the safe and proper operation of your machine and for complying with all applicable laws and regulations covering its proper use. You must not operate any machine until you have read and understood the Operation and Safety Manual and any other required manuals, and have completed training under the supervision of an experienced and qualified operator. This video is one part of JLG's safety video series and is intended to serve as a supplement to your machine's required manuals, located in the manual storage holder on the platform. These documents must be kept with the machine at all times, and if not available, must be obtained by contacting your local JLG distributor or at www.jlg.com. Before using each day, or when changing operators, you must conduct a pre-operational check of your machine. This video focuses on the walk-around inspection only. Always refer to your Operation and Safety Manual for the complete pre-start inspection procedure. The walk-around inspection ensures that there is no visible damage. Although this is a visual inspection, use your other senses to help determine the machine's condition. The machine shown in this video is the 800AJ, a combustion engine-powered articulating boom lift, which may not be representative of your JLG boom lift. Your lift may be a different model, have a different power source, or have a different boom configuration, but the walk-around inspection will be similar. Always follow the daily inspection in your model's Operation and Safety Manual. Although it may appear time-consuming, once you become familiar with the procedure, you can complete it more efficiently. If at any time you discover any damage or discrepancy, remove the machine from service. Report the problem to the proper maintenance personnel. Do not operate the machine until it is declared safe for operation. The machine must remain off during the inspection. Some systems have high pressure in the hydraulic lines, which could create the risk of high-pressure injection. Check the fuel level in the fuel tank, or the amount of charge in the batteries. Never refuel during an electrical storm or near a potential ignition source. Charge batteries only in a well-ventilated area. Ensure all of the required manuals are in the manual storage holder, and that all periodic inspections and maintenance have been completed. On all components, ensure that there are no missing parts, that they are securely fastened, and no visible damage or excessive wear exists, in addition to any other criteria mentioned. Do not overlook the visual inspection of the chassis underside. All control markings, decals, and placards must be present, clean, and legible. For the 800AJ, inspect the following parts: the platform assembly, entrance, control station, and foot switch. The rotator assembly, pivot pins, and articulating jib. The power track. All valves and switches. The spindles. The drive motors, brakes, and hubs. The wheel and tire assemblies. The turntable bearing and pinion. All doors and latches. All pumps and hoses. The hydraulic oil level. The ground control station. The swing motor and brake. The tie rods and steering linkages. The oscillating axle. The engine oil supply and filters. The hydraulic and engine system components. And all boom sections and cylinders. Check the machine for modifications to original components. Verify that any modifications have been approved by JLG. This concludes the walk-around inspection. To review, Perform a visual inspection of the machine. Always refer to the Operation and Safety Manual when doing the inspection. Ensure the machine has a full tank of fuel or a fully charged battery. And if you find any damage or discrepancy, remove the machine from service. Report the problem to the proper maintenance personnel. Do not operate the machine until it is declared safe for operation. Conducting a proper walk-around inspection is one part of your pre-operational check that helps you to complete your work safely. Safe operation is critical to avoid potential hazards. Remember, you are responsible for completing the proper training, for reading and understanding the required manuals, and for complying with all applicable laws and regulations. If you require further clarification on operating your machine, contact JLG Product Safety and Reliability at 877-554-7233, +1 717-485-6591 if outside of the United States, or by email at productsafety@jlg.com. JLG Ground Support, reaching out to help you reach your potential.